So I just ordered these Mindspace set of 4 spice rack for the wall or for pantry, and I keep finding more uses for these and I just love them. I'm going to show you how I've used them and how I installed them. So you see here I've taken the 4 out of the box and now I'm trying to decide what I want to do. So I think I'm going to see if these jars fit, or these spices fit in the rack. Okay, these ones fit and these ones fit. Let's see what else. Oh, I have some cleaners that fit in this rack. You can see. Okay, so here's where I'm going to install one in the bathroom in this cabinet door here. And I'm just pre-drilling the holes. I'm going to go ahead and put a screw in and put it in and then put it over there. I'm going to mark another hole and drill a hole there and go ahead and screw the other side of the rack into the door. And now I'll just go ahead and tighten these up and start putting some of my toiletries in there. And now I've found another place for these. I've found a place in my cabinet for these prescriptions. That worked out really nice.